Okay, this is first test of the Bluetooth 10 with the PC. So far we found a leakage on the gas running inside of the frame. We have fired up tank number 1. Tank number 2 is on pilot. Tank number 3 is on pilot. Emergency stop is on. Power is connected. We believe the leakage comes from the south source. So we're planning to seal that out during the next couple of days. So we haven't opened main valves yet, so we're gonna start just working with the fuel with the pumps and the computer. So we click in Google's, then we go to BCS control. Nothing's connected, so here we go. Power on. We got power on. 92.6 on the first tank. 80 and 78 on the other two tanks. So far we're running manual mode. Let's open the water valves. I'm going to start pouring. Let's see. I want to pour from tank 3 to tank 2. So I have to go manual mode. And I have one of the outputs went on. Here we go. Okay. Okay, so that's everything should be off. Let me check that number 1.